lying, lying का मतलब होता है लेटा हुआ, lying लेटा हुआ। एग्जाम्पल है he is lying on the bed, he is lying on the bed, he is lying on the floor, he is lying on the floor। awake, awake का मतलब होता है जागा हुआ, awake जागा हुआ। एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं I was awake, I was awake, he is still awake, he is still awake। wearing, wearing का मतलब होता है पहना हुआ, wearing पहना हुआ। एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं he is wearing a red shirt, he is wearing a red shirt, he was wearing this, he was wearing this। capped, capped का मतलब होता है पड़ा हुआ, capped पड़ा हुआ। the book is kept on the table, the book is kept on the table। tired, tired का मतलब होता है थका हुआ, tired थका हुआ। I am tired, I am tired, you look tired, you look tired। broken, broken का मतलब होता है टूटा हुआ, broken टूटा हुआ। it's broken, it's broken, this is a broken glass, this is a broken glass। sitting, sitting का मतलब होता है बैठा हुआ, sitting बैठा हुआ। एग्जाम्पल है he was sitting here, he was sitting here, he is sitting with someone, he is sitting with someone। standing, standing का मतलब होता है खड़ा हुआ, standing खड़ा हुआ। एग्जाम्पल है he is standing outside, he is standing outside, he was standing here, he was standing here। scared, scared का मतलब होता है डरा हुआ, scared डरा हुआ। he is scared of you, he is scared of you, he is so scared, he is so scared। tied, tied का मतलब होता है बंधा हुआ, tied बंधा हुआ। this rope is tied, this rope is tied, my hands are tied, my hands are tied। torn, torn का मतलब होता है फटा हुआ, torn फटा हुआ। this note is torn, this note is torn, this page was torn, this page was torn।